Question 1. During the 17th BRICS summit held in Rio de Janeiro in 2025, leaders emphasized the need to reform the United Nations. Modi remarked that 21st century software cannot run on 20th century typewriters. What anniversary of the United Nations was being marked at this summit? Options: A. 75 years. B. 85 years. C. 80 years. D. 100 years. The correct answer is C. 80 years. Question 2. The BRICS alliance, initially consisting of 5 founding nations, expanded its membership. In 2025, one more country officially joined the group. Which of the following became the 10th member of BRICS in 2025? Options: A. Ethiopia. B. Egypt. C. Indonesia. D. UAE. The correct answer is C. Indonesia. Question 3. In a pioneering move, Himachal Pradesh became the first Indian state to use Aadhaar face recognition for ration distribution. This system was implemented as part of a national initiative to ensure transparency and access. Under which act is this new distribution scheme being enforced? Options: A. Food Safety and Standards Act. B. Aadhaar Act. C. Public Distribution Act. D. National Food Security Act. The correct answer is D. National Food Security Act. Question 4. The United Arab Emirates introduced a new golden visa scheme for Indian nationals. This visa is now accessible through a simple nomination and fee process, without property investments. What is the fee required to obtain this golden visa? Options: A. 4.66 crore Indian rupees. B. 1 lakh dirhams. C. 50,000 dirhams. D. 10,000 United States dollars. The correct answer is B. 1 lakh dirhams. Question 5. The new development bank, established by BRICS nations, added 2 more members in 2025. These additions aim to strengthen economic cooperation among developing countries. Which countries were added as members of the NDB in 2025? Options: A. Algeria and Egypt. B. Colombia and Uzbekistan. C. Iran and Ethiopia. D. UAE and Bangladesh. The correct answer is B. Colombia and Uzbekistan. Question 6. India has expanded its nuclear energy infrastructure with 2 new licensed reactors in Gujarat. These reactors are located at a site that already houses other functional units. What is the name of this nuclear power plant? Options: A. Tarapur. B. Kudankulam. C. Kakrapar. D. Narora. The correct answer is C. Kakrapar. Question 7. To fight malaria using modern technology, Andhra Pradesh launched an AI-based mosquito control initiative. The pilot was rolled out in selected cities to monitor mosquito density using drones and sensors. Which of the following cities is not part of this pilot project? Options: A. Vijayawada. B. Vishakhapatnam. C. Guntur. D. Nellore. The correct answer is C. Guntur. Question 8. India's import of foreign fruits has significantly grown in recent years, both in volume and value. According to APEDA, the latest figures for 2024-25 reveal record-breaking imports. What is the total estimated value of imported fruits during this period? Options: A. 14,137 crore rupees. B. 7,300 crore rupees. C. 25,770 crore rupees. D. 50,000 crore rupees. The correct answer is C. 25,770 crore rupees. Question 9. Renowned Assamese poet Neelam Kumar was honored with the Sinare National Literary Award in 2025. This award commemorates the legacy of Dr. C. Narayana Reddy and his contribution to literature. At which venue will the award ceremony be held? Options: A. India Habitat Center. B. Rabindra Bharati. C. National Academy of Letters. D. Kala Bhavan. The correct answer is B. Rabindra Bharati. Question 10. Indian hockey player Deepika made headlines with a stellar field goal against the Netherlands. She was nominated for the Polygrass Magic Skill Award during the FIH Pro League season. In which match did she score the spectacular goal? Options: A. Against Germany. B. Against Argentina. C. Against Netherlands. D. Against Australia. The correct answer is C. Against Netherlands.